Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. Guys, as you can see, yesterday we have experienced this insane pump that happened on this area exactly here, and we pumped from the price of $22,600 around here. We pumped crazily up to $23,800 in just couple minutes, which was obvious a very big manipulation by whales, as we have used to in the last couple days, the last couple weeks. We have used to see lots of this kind of manipulation by big whales who want to wreck you out badly, and I'm very convinced that this kind of pump, guys, that happened the last couple days, the last couple weeks, is nothing else than the biggest bull trap that happened on this bear market. And right now I'm gonna show you with big details, because currently if we focus on the daily time frame, we're forming a very dangerous pattern, which is a rise wedge pattern, and I'm gonna analyze you deeply what I mean. We have here the resistance, and here we're forming a support. I'm gonna show you in a big details in a very few. So if you would like to know, guys, where we're gonna get in the short term and what's my actually expectations for the next move, and also for the mid long term, what I'm expecting and how low I can see the Bitcoin price, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you help me a lot to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And guys, with a very simple process, daily like, daily comment, share with your friends in your social media is all I need, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you. And let's jump straight, guys, to the chart in the 1 hour time frame. And basically let's begin with the 4 hour time frame, and then we're gonna see the 1 hour time frame to explain the dangerous pattern that we're forming. So some general before we dive into more. We had here an uptrend movement. I was very convinced that we're gonna break with the third touch point that was happened here. We had first touch point on this uptrend movement, second touch point was here, and with the third touch point I told you that I'm expecting a big breakout, because if you check here, we also had this orange line, which was a very strong support area, and I told you that if we're gonna break this line and stay under it, I'm gonna be extremely bearish. And look what happened here. If we zoom in more, you're gonna see that we had the breakout of this massive uptrend movement at around $22,700. We dropped by breaking also a very important support area, which is the $22,733, and we move instantly to the lowest point, which that's exactly the $22,348 from the level of $23,300. So we're talking for a very big drop that happened at around 4% instant drop after the breakout of those two very important support areas, and we stay under this, and we stayed under this massive support area for a couple hours. And guys, afterwards we saw this insane pump which happened on the Bitcoin price. Here we had some indicators which were flashing very bearish, and I was supposed to get even more to the downside by forming a downtrend movement, which I had analyzed you in the previous videos. And guys, with this last manipulation pump that happened, which as we could see, we formed here a higher high. But guys, here we had lots of sell-offs, and we get back to the level where that we stand right now, which we were consolidating before the drop of those two support areas. But guys, right now we forming something really dangerous, and most people don't see this very dangerous pattern that we're forming, which is not other. If we put the 1 hour time frame, you're gonna see clearly that we're forming this rise wedge pattern, which is very bearish indicator. Okay, I told you the scenario from yesterday with this pump, that if this pump won't continue, we're gonna form an extremely bearish pattern. And if you remember, I told you that we're gonna see with this beautiful formation A move, B move, and we had this pump with the time that I was creating the video. If we won't see furthermore pump to the upside, we're gonna get back with a D move, because here was A move, B move, C move, with a D move to retest this major support line for the third time. And if we're gonna break this support, guys, we're gonna get straight to the downside. So guys, the things here are looking very dangerous. We're standing in a very dangerous position because this rise wedge pattern, which is as most of the times breaking to the downside. And if you check, guys, the most important thing, the EMA cross 50 and 200. If we're gonna get to the breakout on this support, which will be around $22,900, and move to the downside, probably we're gonna get a cross of the red and blue one on exponential moving average 50 and 200, which, as you know, is a very reliable indicator, especially in the hour in the 1 hour time frame, because the time that the flip happened here, we experienced the big pump on the Bitcoin price. So as you can clearly see here, with this breakout to the downside of this rise wedge pattern, probably going to have also the cross of this very reliable indicator. And guys, I would check the EMA ribbon in the 1 hour time frame. It has right now standing in a bullish area, but it squeezed a lot, and probably with rejection it's gonna flip to bearish. So we're gonna flip to bearish too, if we won't see actually any pump further. But let's see what's about to happen. I believe, guys, that we're gonna have here a breakout, because all these kind of pumps can convince me that this is the end of the market. Okay, and something that I would like to mention you, that I'm expecting a big move to happen, either to the upside or either to the downside, because if we check, guys, the Bollinger Band indicator, right now it squeezed a lot, which this indicates every time it squeezes, either we're going to have a pump to the upside or either to the downside. But because of this rise wedge pattern, I'm expecting to this downtrend, to this rejection. Okay, and also I forgot to show you the technical price target, which I'm going to show you immediately, of this rise wedge pattern, because most of people are going to ask me where you see Bitcoin can go if we break out. Guys, I believe, look at this. The technical price target is the $20,451, which, if you remember, this was very strong support area. Okay, so it's a very reasonable price target to get there. Okay, I believe we're gonna break this one. We're gonna have a big move, especially if you check the Bollinger Band indicator, which indicates us every time it squeezes that the next move is gonna be a big move. So it could be a very big drop. Of course, it's gonna happen with points. The first point is gonna be the previous strong resistance, which was the $21,600. It's gonna be probably here a step. Probably here it's gonna be a stop with a consolidation here, and then we're gonna have another break to the downside. So guys, this is what I believe in the short term, what is about to happen in the mid long term, guys. As we know from my previous videos, I remain very I don't have any anticipation to see more pump to the upside over $25,216, which is the previous height that we had reached on this bear market, because this height, guys, actually is very important. You do not surpass it, because if we surpass it, then probably it's gonna be a sign of a bull run. Okay, and this is gonna be more dangerous than it is currently. With a higher high, it seems that it's moving with an uptrend movement. Okay, but as we staying with a lower high, guys, price on the chart, and let's put the weekly just to understand what I'm talking about. If as we stay here, guys, with this lower high, you can clearly understand that we remain very bearish on this current situation. And my expectation, guys, for the future is a bigger drop back to $14,000, $13,000, and the worst case scenario for me personally is $12,000. And the reason of that is because the fundamentals are still very bearish. So all the inflation rates, the unemployment rates, or the trillion debts of US All these kind of things are extremely bearish to my eyes, and I can see the bull run come with those conditions. Okay, guys, this is exactly what I believe for the Bitcoin price, and this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section what you believe about the current situation. Every opinion is welcome. Just do not be offensive. I don't want to see misery comments, hate comments, or whatsoever, because I'm blocking you. I don't want to lose time to reply you. I respect only the kind person. So guys, this is the video. See you tomorrow with my fresh update.